Finally, step-by-step form filling for the cap round 1 video is here. I know it is a little late guys, but it's really important to be accurate. आप कैसे अपना preference form fill करोगे, choice code क्या होता है, college code क्या होता है, कैसे अपने preference को order करना है. Also the thing I was talking about, क्या आप BBA, BCA, BBA, CA सारे ही preference भर सकते हो. एक consolidated list आपकी बनती है once you select all these options that you have to before locking your form. Cap 1, cap around form. Make sure that you watch the video so that you know कि आपने सारे जो steps है proper से follow कर लिए हैं, because it's a detailed video explaining each and every step that you need to follow and be very particular about. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end.
So let's look at the process. You have to log in. Once you log in, you will get two options. Left will be BMS, on the right will be for BCA. So you have to click the respective option if you want to do BMS or BCA. We will click BMS for the demonstration purpose. Once you click BMS, we have to select the respective course. For Mumbai, it will be BMS. For Pune, it will be BBA. So in the drop down, you can see multiple courses. Not to get confused, plain and simple. If you want to go for Mumbai colleges, apply for BMS. If you want to go for Pune colleges, apply for BBA. Also, there can be very integration courses offered under BBA by Mumbai, for which you can go to the respective colleges website and figure out what BBA integrated courses are being offered by them. For demonstration purpose, we are just showing you the colleges that are offering integrated BBA courses under University of Mumbai, which is visible in front of you. And we can select respective universities that offer BBA program. As you can see in the drop down, you can apply to whichever university you want to. So there are various courses as you can see in the drop down. Not to get confused between them, as instructed earlier, you have to select the respective course as BMS for Mumbai and BBA for Pune. So you can select the respective courses that you want from the drop down. Here we are just showing you how it appears if you select the various universities. Yeah. Then you can select your relevant university, whichever you want to apply for, and then once you click on generate the options, you will see the list of colleges along with their choice codes in the drop down, from which you can just tick the colleges and add them to your bucket list for completing the preferences. So we can just scroll down and you can look the number of colleges that are available in MU, similarly for other colleges. So here we have populated the list of colleges that we want. Basis that we are just ticking on the colleges that we want to add in the selected options as a preference list. So what we're going to do is, from the total list that is populated, we will click the colleges that we need and then proceed ahead with our preference list. You can also use the Ctrl F option in the screen to find respective colleges for which you remember the name or you remember the choice code. As per that, you can just tick on the various colleges that you want to put in the preference list, and once you have clicked most of the colleges or all the colleges that you want to apply for from a relevant university, you have to click on the yellow button, which is the add selected options. So once you finalize the list, so here we are selecting most of the colleges. It might take some time, but we are just hovering around. We are ensuring that no good college is left so that we have a broader options while we are applying for preference list selection. So once you have applied for most of the colleges that you need, you have to click on add selected options. So post adding all the preferred options that you have, it will be populated. Say you selected 27 options, it will come in the tab down below wherein you can see the shortlisted options by you. So these are the various colleges for which you have shortlisted for BMS. So from those respective colleges, if you want to delete any option, you can tick the colleges like you can see on the screen and click on delete selected options. If you do that, you can be further able to delete few options, or from the above tab you can add more options in case you wish to. So once you've added all the options, then you can just save and next, and this is the screen wherein you can set the preferences for the respective colleges. As you can see on your screen, there is a set preference and the preference number, as well as the choice code, college name, course, etc. So you have to tick mark the colleges in the preference from highest priority to the least priority, right? So if you want to go for Mithibai NM, you keep them on priority or preference number 1, and to the least colleges, whichever is the last college as per your list, you keep that as the last preference. Alright, so in case you wish to add more courses to your bucket list of colleges, you can again go back to the start options, select options, look at the course that you wish to add for. Say for example BBA, BBA, BMS marketing, BBA, BCA administration, something like that. You select the respective course, you select the university, and in case you want to add that specific college specific course, you can do so by the options visible in front of you. Now what's going to happen is we will add BBA integrated course of Jai Hind College also in the final bucket list and try to show you the same. So we have added few options. This is just for a demonstration purpose, but in the final list we will add BBA course from Jai Hind College while we are selecting the preference list. Now as you can see in your screen, we have added Jai Hind BBA College and we have gone to the next screen. So once we have gone to the next screen, I want to put Jai Hind BBA as first preference, BMS as second preference, so on and so forth. 3, 4, 5 is the number of preference that I am allocating. So once you click on the left set preference button, it gets tick marked and the number appears on the preference number column. So that's how it happens. Likewise, you will have to tick on your preference list starting from the top college of your choice to the least college to which you have the probability of getting through. So once you've selected all the colleges as per your preferences, you will get this screen in front of you wherein you see the preference number along with the choice codes and the college names. All you have to do is click on the I have read all the rules and understanding of these rules button and lock your option form. Once you click on lock your option form, you must get an OTP, and once you verify the OTP, your form will go through. In case if you want, you can take a printout or a screenshot of the options that you've applied for and keep it handy with you, which probably might use later on. Also, if you in case want to toggle few options, if you feel there are certain options that you want to move up ahead or certain options that you want to move down, you can do this via this link wherein you can choose which option to move to which place, to which preference you want to move an option. You can move the options up and down. This is your last opportunity to move the options furthermore, change the preferences. So once you have done that and you're satisfied, you can just check all the options one more time, click on that you've read all the rules and you accept and understand all the rules and regulations, and basis that you can go ahead and log the option form. So you have to click on that you have understood or read all the rules. Once you click that, you go ahead further to lock your option form, and then you verify the OTP, and that is the end of the process. Once you get your final form in front of you, there is a print button on top which is called as the print option form. On top there will be a green button, re-verify your options one more time. Alright, this is the final form of the cap round 1 options that you have applied for. You have to scroll up, click on print option form and save as PDF. Once you save as PDF, you will know the colleges along with the choice codes that you have filled for your first cap round. And that is it, guys. Thank you.
I hope guys everything is clear in terms of how you need to fill your cap form, and yes, make sure that you stay tuned to Media Mentor to get all the important informative updates regarding CET admission. And yes, if you want my admission team help, you need to WhatsApp on this number for the link that you will get for the paid assistance or one-on-one counseling session. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.